In this video, we are going to discuss about the ICND2 and its topics. So, what is ICND2? ICND2 is Interconnecting Cisco Network Devices Part 2. So, we have already discussed about the Part 1, which is ICND1, but which differs from ICND1 and ICND2 is, here in ICND2, the topics are follows like LAN switching technologies, which deals with the VLANs, types of VLANs, as well as STPs and also types of STPs. So, this is about the LAN switching technology in ICND2. So, coming to the next section is the IPv4 and IPv6 routing technologies. So, under this routing technologies, we already discussed about the routing technologies like EIGRP and OSPF in ICND1, but now in ICND2, we will be discussing about the comparison like IPv4 versus OSPF, IPv4 versus the EIGRP. In the similar way, IPv6 versus EIGRP and IPv6 versus the OSPF protocols in the routing technologies. And the third part is the WAN technologies. So, under WAN technologies, we will be discussing about the point-to-point protocols and multi-tier point-to-point protocols also is discussed in clear in the WAN technologies. And the fourth one is infrastructure services. Like under infrastructure services, we already saw about the infrastructure services of the QoS, quality of a service, as well as its importance there. So, coming to infrastructure management, we see that simple protocol, network management protocol, which is SNMP, should be discussed. So, SNMP as well as with the other features like TACMACAS and everything will be discussed clearly, and also about the simple port analyzer also is discussed in the maintenance part of the network. So, these are the 5 sections we will be discussing in the ICND2, and which differs it from the ICND1 and ICND2 is these are the topics which we will be discussing in the next videos.